Imagine a day like any other. Birds sing, children laugh, and the wind whispers through the trees. But deep inside our planet, a change is about to begin. What if, at this very moment, all the biggest volcanoes on Earth erupted at once? The ground would tremble beneath our feet, a deep and powerful shaking that would topple buildings and split roads in two. From the peaks of mountains, fiery rivers of molten rock would begin to flow, consuming everything in their path with unstoppable force. The air itself would crackle with energy, filled with the roar of the Earth's anger. We have seen the power of volcanoes before, their fury etched in the history of our planet, but this